Assalamualaikum and hi. So today I'm going to show to you on how we can use Google Classroom. Okay, so firstly open your Google Chrome and search Google Classroom. Okay, we can get Google Classroom from the Google Chrome, or we can download it from in mobile site from Play Store. Then click Google Classroom. First, what you need to do is please log in with your Gmail, okay? And then this is how your Google Classroom will looks like. Okay, then click plus symbol to join class. Okay, usually class code we can get it from our teacher. Okay, you can ask your teacher for the class code and then enter at here. To create a classroom, just click create class and this will appear. Then click I have read and understand and then click continue. Okay, just enter your class name, let's say 1 alpha, and then your name here room, and then click create. Okay, just wait for a second. So this is your class will looks like. Okay, you can share something with your class at here. Just type anything, and if you want to add Google link, any link, YouTube link or file, just click at here and then click post. These are the example of my class where I have post the first post to grade my students and post assignment. So click at classwork to add any assignment or homework, and you can observe your students names, add people, and then click grades to key in any marks that you have to with your students. If you want to setting, just click setting symbol and then adjust your classroom. Generally, class code we can get at setting button. Google Classroom provide Google Calendar to make sure that we have a good planning and we can manage our time wisely. Students also can give in comment section like this to give feedback or to greet your teachers. Beside plus symbol, we have this dot symbol that show Google apps such as Google Search, YouTube, Maps, and so on. To log out from Google Classroom, just click your email picture and click sign out all of all accounts. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to like my videos and share to others people. Thank you.